Reporting statements. 1. If I asked you to make this sentence English, how would you say that? 冇錯啦 Mom told me to do homework. 呢個係 reported speech 嘅一種，係一個間接敘述句嚟嘅。不過呢，佢就係 reporting an order， 將一個指令呢係敘述出嚟。Mom told me to do homework。留意我會用咗一個 reporting verb told。咁呢句啦 Peter's uncle said, "Great power comes great responsibility." 你可以暫停喺去片之前自己試下，然之後再對下啱唔啱？So we'll say, Peter's uncle said that great power comes great responsibility. So when you report a statement, you need a reporting verb. And then you add the word that. And then you do not need the quotation mark. You see, the quotation marks are no longer there. One more reminder, you see the word, the letter G is changed to small letter because it does not start a sentence now. How about this? Miss Ho said water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Again, you delete the quotation marks and then you add the word that. Miss Ho said that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Is it easy? No, it is more than that. Don't believe? Okay, let's try. Write sentences using reported speech. Number 1. Kuromi said, "My English teacher is Miss Lai." 2. Kazuwu said, "I like her." 3. Jason Chan said, "I don't like her." 好啦，可以停一停片，自己試咗做，先再對啦。So, in reported speech, the sentences become Kuromi said that her English teacher is Miss Lai. Second, Cassie Wu said that she likes her. 3. Jason Chan said that he doesn't like her. 好啦，你會見到除咗好似之前嗰個加咗個 sad 同埋加咗個 that， 另外冇咗啲 quotation mark 之外，仲有其他嘢係改咗㗎。My English teacher 變做 her English teacher。I like her 變成 she likes her。呢個 she 係邊個啊？即是卡斯烏啦。咁下邊 I don't like her 就變成 he doesn't like her. So it means number 1, apart from you don't need a quotation mark, you have to use a reporting verb and then you add the word that. You also need to change the pronouns, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. At the same time, you need to change the verbs accordingly. 係啦，動詞都要轉埋嘅喎。Just look at number 2. Cassie Wu said that she 呢個轉咗做 she 之後，連後邊個動詞都要轉做 likes， 因為 he, she, it 要加 s 啊嘛。The same for number 3. Okay? I don't like her. And then you change it to he doesn't like her. 個 I 轉咗做 he 之後，連個 don't like 都要轉做 doesn't like。講開 pronouns, possessive adjectives 同埋 possessive pronouns 啦，係需要有啲嘢要記嘅。係啦，我建議你哋抄低呢一個表落你嘅 notebook。當然你仲要背咗佢啦，點背啊？中一叫你背嘅時候一樣啦。He, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. I, me, my, mine, myself. 你會問點解要背啊？係因為好多 Chinese English learner 咧都會混淆嘅。打個譬如 ，Number 2 Cassie Wu said I like her。Cassie Wu said that。咦？我應該要轉 her 啊，定係 she 咧 ？Her likes her 得唔得啫咧？咁係唔得㗎。點解咧？因為 I 係 subject， 所以咧轉嘅時候都要轉翻一個 subject。係啦，咁你就會見到 I me my 轉成 she her her，right？ 咁所以 I 咧係轉做 she 㗎。又或者好似第一題咁樣，Kuromi said my English teacher is Miss Lai。好啦，咁呢個 my 我哋係 I me my 啊嘛，咁我哋背就係 she her her。咁所以咧，你會見到啦 ，Kuromi said that her English teacher is Miss Lai， 咁就唔會寫成 she English teacher 啦。咁所以背咗個表咧，係會令你快好多同埋準確好多㗎。好，除咗個 pronoun 同埋個動詞要跟住轉之外咧，仲有其他嘢都要留意㗎喎。Okay, look at the following sentences. Betty told John, I live in this building. Betty complained, it is very noisy here. 點轉呢？你可以停一停片，自己做咗再對啦。Okay, so the answer is Betty told John that she lives in that building. You see, I have to change this to that. Second one, Betty complains that it is very noisy there. Here, you got to change it to there. 諗翻中文其實都合理嘅喎。我住喺呢度㗎。哦 ，Miss Lai 話佢住喺嗰度啊。呢度係咪會轉做嗰度啊？呢間 building 好靚啊！哦 ，Miss Lai 話嗰間 building 好靚啊，係咪 this 會轉做 that，here 會轉做 there？ So the rule number 6， 第6個規矩咧就係 this change to that， these change to those， here change to there。係啦，就係呢個表啦，你哋又可以抄低啦。Here change to there。呢度轉去嗰度 ，this change to that， these change to those， 呢一啲轉成嗰一啲。So now let's have some practice. Write sentences using reported speech with the reporting verbs in brackets. 好，係時候停一停片，睇下自己識幾多啦。So Betty, I love to live here. Betty told me that 加咗個 that 用咗 reporting verb. She loves to live there. I 變咗做 she， 動詞要轉翻 he she it 要加翻 s。Here change to there. Betty told me that she loves to live there. John, we all love our home. John responded that 用咗個 reporting verb responded 加咗個 that。We change to they. All love no change this time. Our home 我哋嘅屋企 their home 佢哋話佢哋鍾意佢哋嘅屋企。Summary 呢6樣嘢係你要做㗎。Number 1. Do not use quotation marks. 2. Use a reporting verb. For example, sad. Number 3. Add the word that. Change the pronouns, possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns. 5. Change the verbs accordingly. 6. Change words like this to that, these to those, here to there. Miss Lai 咧鍾意記例子㗎，咁所以你哋亦都可以抄低呢啲例子，然之後圈低重點。最後呢個表有冇抄低到呢？如果冇嘅話，建議你嗱臨抄低佢 and then 背咗佢。呢個表都係講到嚟呢度，大家都知道 梗係要做啲嘢，睇下自己識幾多啦。做 Google Form，今日之內提交。拜拜。